In recent times, there has been a growing trend of banks debanking certain businesses, such as coin shops, adult services like massage parlors, and others. This process involves banks closing the accounts of these businesses, regardless of their longevity as customers. While this might raise concerns among affected businesses, it's crucial to understand the reasons behind such actions and why they ultimately benefit the financial stability of the economy. Banks have a responsibility to maintain the integrity of the financial system and mitigate risks associated with money laundering, fraud, and other illicit activities. When banks identify businesses that pose a higher risk in terms of regulatory compliance or reputational damage, they may opt to terminate their banking relationships. Here are several reasons why a bank might close an account. Compliance with regulations. Banks operate within a highly regulated environment with strict guidelines enforced by regulatory authorities. Businesses engaged in certain industries, such as adult services or those dealing with high volumes of cash transactions like coin shops, may face heightened regulatory scrutiny. If a bank determines that maintaining an account for such a business could potentially violate regulatory requirements, it is compelled to take action to ensure compliance. Risk management. Every bank assesses the risk associated with its customers to safeguard against financial losses and maintain stability. Businesses operating in cash-intensive industries or those with a history of fraudulent activities may present a higher risk to the bank. By closing such accounts, banks can mitigate the risk of being unwittingly involved in illegal activities or financial scandals. Reputation preservation. Banks value their reputation and strive to uphold high ethical standards. Associating with businesses involved in controversial or socially sensitive activities can tarnish a bank's reputation and erode public trust. Closing the accounts of businesses engaged in activities that may be perceived negatively by the community is a proactive measure to protect the bank's image and maintain customer confidence. Cost considerations. Managing accounts for certain high-risk businesses can be resource-intensive for banks. The costs associated with enhanced due diligence, monitoring, and regulatory compliance efforts may outweigh the benefits derived from maintaining these accounts. Closing such accounts allows banks to allocate their resources more efficiently and focus on serving customers in lower-risk sectors. While the debanking of certain businesses may seem disruptive, it plays a crucial role in ensuring the stability and integrity of the financial system. By identifying and addressing potential risks proactively, banks contribute to maintaining a safe and trustworthy banking environment for all stakeholders. Moreover, it's essential to recognize that the closure of accounts does not necessarily signify a blanket rejection of the entire industry. Banks evaluate each business on a case-by-case basis, considering factors such as compliance history, risk exposure, and the nature of the business operations. In conclusion, the debanking phenomenon underscores the proactive approach taken by banks to uphold regulatory compliance, manage risks, and safeguard their reputation. While it may pose challenges for affected businesses, it ultimately contributes to the long-term financial stability and integrity of the economy. As stakeholders in the financial system, it is imperative to support these measures and work collaboratively towards a safer and more resilient banking sector. Thank you for watching this very important video. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Leave us a comment. We would love to know what the weather is like where you are. Bonus joke. Why did the coin shop owner feel like they were robbed by the bank? Because they thought they were in the business of collecting coins, not getting their accounts controversially closed. Turns out, when the bank says any reason in the agreement, they really mean it. Ha 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 ha. Is it just me? Or are my jokes getting better each time?